How to remove object from video for free in Inshot. Firstly, open the Inshot app, but make sure that your Inshot app is installed in your device. Now, go to the video. Select and import the video that you want to edit. Once you have done that, tap on the PIP option. Overlay the video with the same video, but make sure that the font size of the both video should be same. After you have done that, use the mask tool to select the shape matching the object that you want to remove. Adjust the size to the background that you want to remove. Once you have done that, move the mask to the blank area or in the video background to cover the unwanted object. Be sure it is not attached to any kind of edge or corner, so you will not find any dark mark around it. And that's done. After you have done it, lighten it up a little bit to match the background. So to do that, tap on filters. After that, tap on adjust. Now adjust the lighting to make it seamless. And after you have done that, you have successfully removed object from video using InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.